Now let's look at number 1. The measurement of angle AOB is 50 degrees. So then the vertex of this angle is O. So AOB. I'm trying to find the measurement of angle O. So I start from A at 0, and I can see that B is at 50. So that's the acute angle, 50 degrees. Now, if I want to find the measurement of angle BOC, so that means that I'm looking at vertex O again, but it's the part of angle BOC. So I need to find the measurement of that angle. So B is at 50 degrees, C is at 90 degrees, so 90 minus 50 would be 40 degrees. So angle BOC is going to be 40 degrees. Now, if you look at measurement of angle AOC, so again, we want vertex O, but of angle AOC. So I'm starting from angle A at 0 and angle C at 90. So this is going to be a right angle, and the measurement of that angle is going to be 90 degrees. Now, if I look at angle EOD, it's on the other side of the protractor. So earlier, we were looking at the lower numbers on the bottom because it starts from 0. Now I have to look at the top numbers because I'm starting from the left. So E is at 0 and D is at 30 degrees. So this acute angle is going to be 30 degrees. Now to find the measure of angle BOD, so if I take BOD, since this is not starting from the right or the left, I can choose to take the bottom numbers or the top numbers, but I have to be consistent. So if I take the bottom numbers, which is like 50 over here, so I have to take the bottom number for D, and that's 150. And then 150 minus 50 would give you 100 degrees. Now, if I choose to take the top numbers, so this is at 130, and the other one's going to be at 30. So 130 minus 30 degrees will also be 100 degrees. So it doesn't matter which one or which part of the protractor you take for an angle such as BOD, but you have to be consistent with both parts of the angle. Now, if I look at measurement of angle BOE, this angle has the vertex O, but now, let's look at BOE. It has the rays OE and OB. So E is at 0 and B is at 130. So that's going to be 130 degrees. So I decided to take the top numbers. Again, if I decide to take the bottom numbers, so this is at 50 and this is at 180, 180 minus 50 would also give me 130 degrees.